We'll demonstrate buttonhole stitch. Come up at left line end here. You can see there are some vertical lines drawn. We take down at these vertical lines. Don't pull thread tight. Leave a loop on fabric. You can hold it down with finger. Come up at intersection point of 2 lines, forming a buttonhole. Demonstrate again. So take down at end of this vertical line. Don't pull thread tight. Come up at intersection point of 2 lines. Note, each time coming up must go through loop. This way, it can form interlocking state. Let it present continuous and interlocking. Come up at intersection point above it. Following this method, complete remaining lines. Keep stitch length and spacing consistent. This way, the buttonhole stitch lines will be straight. When stitching, make them interlock. This creates a continuous row of buttonholes. Buttonhole stitch, perfect for stitching outline edges or fabric lace decoration. Can achieve great locking effect. Take down close to outer edge. Let's see the finished effect.